everybody, it's Linnea and I'll be using the Crystal Snowflakes stencil from Penguin Palace today to create a fun, clean and simple card for you. Now I have the Rabbit Cafe stamp set shown there, but I ended up actually not using it for this card. I kind of changed directions halfway through. So I'm starting off by inking up an entire background with some Faded Jeans Distress Oxide ink. And now I'm going to layer some additional ink on top of this to kind of get a two-toned background. I'm using the Wilted Violet Distress Oxide ink, and this is going to give me a nice purple on top of that deep blue color. The oxides inks layer on top of each other, so that's how I'm able to get these beautiful colors. I just love the way this background is looking already. Now I'm going to take this background over to my paper trimmer, and I'm going to trim it off at an angle. So I have kind of that little angle there, and as I layer this on top of a card, you're going to see how this kind of breaks up the card design just a little bit, and I think this is just a classic, clean and simple design. To add a little bit of sparkle, I'm going to spray this inked piece with some silver glitter dust, and then I'll set that to the side. I thought about just having the white card base on the bottom. I thought that would look really clean, but then I decided to add in just a little bit of blue snowflakes. So I'm going to be using Salty Ocean Distress Oxide ink, and I will stencil this onto my actual card base just to give a little bit of that snowflake detail onto the bottom of my card. I love the Crystal Snowflakes stencil, and so I wanted to bring those snowflakes into the bottom as well. I'm going to glue this first panel that I did here on top of my card base, and then you're going to see how those snowflakes kind of flow together. Now you could leave the design just like this, but I think it looks a little choppy. So when I layer on a panel on top of a card base, if something's like peeking out from the bottom like the card base is there, I like to add just a little strip of cardstock. So I decided to add some white glitter cardstock just to keep that sparkle trend kind of going on my card. Now to tie in the purple snowflakes in the background, I die cut the word Mary from some simple letter dies, and I used purple glitter cardstock. I'm just going to glue these little letters onto that diagonal line, and that is going to be the end of my card. I just love this Crystal Snowflake stencil in the background. I love the different sizes and shapes of snowflakes. I think it's perfect for a whole bunch of winter and Christmas cards. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fun, sparkly project, and I will see you next time. Bye!